banned RPF today claimed that the 252 Mobile Battalion of the PLA, the armed wing of the outfit, launched an attack at security forces at Monghat Aibol under Sazikdam Park in Chandel district yesterday. The outfit in a statement said that the PLA injured several personnel during the attack. RPF said that the security forces were entering the area when the attack took place. Social worker Laurembam Sanjoy was released from jail yesterday. Sanjoy, a resident of Yaripok Yambem Mataklekai, was arrested by Andro police in connection with the case. Andro residents welcomed Sanjoy, who was released after charges against him under NSA were revoked. With an objective to save money, time and provide healthcare facility in the state, the Thangbung Privileged Services Private Limited today launched an application called TPS QONECT at Hotel Classic, North AOC, Imphal. Indian Red Cross Society Imphal's district branch organized a voluntary blood donation camp at Janim's Department of Transfusion Medicine today. The event was a part of the National Blood Donation Day. Altogether, 14 women and 19 men donated blood during the camp. Office of the Joint Director, District Veterinary Office, Jiribam Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services vaccinated livestock at Jiribam's Hillghat today as part of the ongoing vaccination program and the National Animal Disease Control Program. India recorded 70,496 fresh cases of coronavirus and 964 deaths yesterday, taking the total number of COVID-19 cases to 69 lakh according to the Health Ministry data. 78,365 people successfully fought off the viral disease on Friday, bringing down the overall active cases to almost 13% of the total caseload. According to the government figures, the total COVID cases in India now stands at 69,06,151, including 8,93,592 active cases, 59,06,069 recoveries and 1,06,490 total deaths. Manipur's coronavirus count has reached 12,810 after 131 fresh cases reported in the past 24 hours. 3 persons died of the virus in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll to 86. A total of 147 COVID patients were discharged from various COVID care centers yesterday. The number of active cases stands at 2,858, while a total of 9,866 patients have recovered so far in the state. The recovery rate dipped to 77.01%. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has asked all private satellite television channels to adhere to the program code. The IB Ministry, in an advisory issued on Friday, emphasized that no program should criticize, malign or slander an individual or certain groups.